Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you wondering if it is possible to translate videos using AI into other languages to reach more people online? In my opinion, ElevenLabs is the software tool that currently produces the best possible quality. In this video, I will show you how to translate your content into multiple languages using ElevenLabs. Let's go. ElevenLabs Dubbing Studio is designed to break language barriers and enable videos to be understood globally. Its advanced AI doesn't just translate. It preserves the emotion, timing, and style of the original speaker, setting ElevenLabs apart from other AI tools. Keep in mind, though, that the advanced features are available with a premium subscription. I recommend at least the Creator Plan for professional-level audio quality. Click my link below to get free credits when you first register with ElevenLabs. To get started, head over to the Dubbing menu on the sidebar and click Create a Dub. Set a name for your project and specify both the source and target languages, respectively. ElevenLabs offers flexible options for uploading your content. You can either upload an audio or video file directly from your computer, paste in a URL from platforms like YouTube or TikTok, or provide a manually transcribed file. Before you start the dubbing process, be sure to check Create Dubbing Project so you can edit the translated output later in case you need to fine-tune the results. Once your file is uploaded, ElevenLabs initiates the speech recognition process and proceeds directly to transcription to create the AI-generated voiceover. Since you have created a dubbing project, you'll have the option to edit the translation before exporting it. To do so, click the three-dot menu next to the dubbed file and select Edit. Here, you can manually change the sentence structure of the original script to adjust the translation. This is particularly useful because some languages naturally have longer or shorter sentences, which affects the speed and pacing of the voiceover provided by ElevenLabs. You'll definitely get better results if you use Dubbing Studio because you can regenerate sentences that don't sound good. Of course, this is best accomplished by a native speaker.
Ich habe mehr Lächeln bekommen als ein Quizmaster und doppelt so viel Begeisterung. Man könnte denken, ich hätte im Lotto gewonnen, aber eigentlich habe ich nur eine Chance ergriffen.
Finally, export the project and download the dubbed version to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.